So let's solve the part C of the question number 14. Now here the elevator goes up with the uniform velocity. Okay, so again I will draw the free body diagram over here. Okay, this is mass m of the bob and upward force is T. Okay, that is the tension in the string. The downward force is mg. Okay, now it is going with the uniform velocity. So here this acceleration is no longer 1.2 meter per second square. So it is 0 meter per second square rather. So this 0 meter per second square means that the acceleration is 0, means that it is going with the uniform velocity, and vice versa. So now here T will be equal to mg because no net acceleration is there, or you can see it as T minus mg is equal to ma, but ma is 0, so this will be T equal to mg. So now T equal to mg means I will write over here again T equal to mg. So this tension will be 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 9.8. So what will be the value of this? 50 into 9.8 will be 490. So this is 490 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton. So this is how much? This is 0.49 Newton. So this is the answer.